LC1 is not a politician, a leader.
By the way, okuba kurora nkutekereza niwe leader mu system yaitu wetukoma niwe aba n'omugaso. From LC1 na LC2
ego
na 3
yes
na 4
yes
bona baki ate bali kutegeka census cap census cap agenda tubara bategeka kitona mendao
abasajja
hati bisanga basajja haloho embaganiza y'amaani muno mwebembezi ekinte kibeeta leader na politician kandi abantu tibakwetegereza genyawukana egyo eyo mwebembezi neya olipo so the easiest definition eyinkusogaba hano eri abantu bwebacwamu kukuhondera baitu baina option eyokutahondera baitu bo bakakuhondera oba oli mwebembezi abantu bwebacwamu kukuhondera abokuba tibaina awaki abokuba tibainaho option erende ya tibaina kukuhondera oba oli wapolipo example emu tulole nka mu religions muno people have a right to worship kimanza butukwantu baza leaders Jesus Yesu Kristo yali a leader. Actually Jesus could be the greatest leader so far. I don't know to but omulimu kunira Yesu akusokuba niwe na kyakizire kuba mwebembezi abukuba abantu bayina option eyo eya kuba musiramu kuba wedine nyingi then nyawukane ya kabiri a leader akora ekinde kibeta bare minimum owa polipo akosa bare minimum niyo kugarukira kutoza akaruru okitegereza bisanga wazaje
kitegereza
leader obugudo babura byamu malamu ogo mwebembezi
tibabura byamu malamu
owa polipo agamba bundara byamu malamu mwezo ekisanje kigaruka honda bagambake leka tubagambe sente zitayije batukome tugaruke tutozeki esente so bare minimum hati tugenda ntura a good example ya leaders na politicians a leader okutukyakizire yokurora ali wamani kila muno mu political system ya Uganda muno alo musaijo bakweta LC1
Mwacha singe kuba leader. Tali politician.
LC1 is not a politician. A leader.
By the way, okuba kurora nkutekereza niwe leader mu system yaitu. Wetukoma niwe aba n'omugaso. Wade wura ogenda nko institutions zezo banks mwakwenda kupending account agenda tukanda leta ya LC1.
Yes.
Mayoko okwenendanga muntu tukwaleta ya C1 obugenyi obukobaho
abaho LC1
mufere
iwe LC1 aina kubakiriza kandi nakubaza
ningamba ati bana abantu bandi bona from LC1 na LC2
ego
na 3
yes
na 4
yes
bona baki LC2 akoraki
LC1 ali village
LC2 eko kitegeze but LC2 akoraki ati
wajunanizibwa nsonga ateraniza ba LC1
abakina bateraniza like omulimu gwe kuteraniza tuguli mulimu kuteraniza tuguli mulimu abayiso ndo basakweteraniza basakuwa na sakoya bwe beteraniza okusanga tuli LC2
anti baina
yoti mumanyire
ijuka
iyo mumanyire LC2
LC2 nyo wako ngo mumaji
kandi 3
nawo ngo mumaji
kandi 4
wa
tubana 5 na wali
5 ni wa district
bwana bakakuyamba gaba apart from LC1
LC5 mnyani wa itojebe
beta tatu ya kumanyisa atuyambireki so okola system is duplicated ate batuletereyo RCC na deputy RCC so nyonkula zino institutions positions zili duplicated mwengo wakulola tuwana minister
zili too much
zili duplicated tuina minister tuina state minister
deputy minister
kani state minister
ni walo state minister
akolaki
alona kingdom minister bona bainizikalo kimu ntingu omuntu ali cabinet minister akujunanizibwa in tourism akujunanizibwa na tourism yona as a country state minister nawe akujunanizibwa still
na tourism
yona the country kingdom cabinet minister akujunanizibwa na tourism on kingdom level and he reports to
the minister
akwana reporting iguru kwegamba we have a lot of which alomo mu kingdom ministry ataliyo local government aloho district tourism officer district cultural officer okitegereze kinte
kimaisa ati leaders I think
leaders
tubabaliza baitu kienga
alo LC1 obone womo kwakalula aba leaders abandi
I think
onira bisaka is a leader Bisaka Whiteon or Sobos. I believe he's a leader because people have an option not to follow. Yes. Then which other leaders could we have? You see movie stars. But who have over into propaganda? You may not follow, but it is because Tosoki avoiding kuta following the Cristiano Ronaldo's because of media publicity money. So no isanga nayo okita.
So to go kwa quality of leaders.
Quality of leader, the first quality they do basic bare minimum and they do not medialize the bare minimum.
Adoko sanga kantu ina leaders okali politicians. Politician okusanga akutegeka omupiira tournament abantu nabahereza embuzi
no kubate
why would you didn't you awakino notegeka tournament ebyo abantu kubahereza embuzi abantu bakali yaganyama kandi atiko prize money emitwala 2 awaki mutakora institutions ngamba kale tukora promoting sports tukole sports center aro swimming, aro basketball, aro tennis, aro cricket, aro hockey. No gamba kale to maintain this facility omuzaire mu myezi 3 sasura y'emitwalo 10 just kusasura ba trainer kusasura cleaning aho masanyarazi no gamba mu mwaka gumu je kuleta ba scout kuruga England at least baratwara mu muntu omu mu bana baro it will inspire others to do what, to join developing a talent baiti yo kuba tulinayo ate bale kutegeka census cup census cup agenda tubara nategeka tournament aho kandi tukumura weekend tukumura from tomorrow 9 mpaka 19th
census week
cup binga ola ibirora babitegeke but census cup just allow ubona bali I think when the kubabaza kubi but I think we are lacking a lot. 2026 tuwenga basubuzi campaign bagamba tubalinzire abaloti balance the bote saguma ejeto sagumya gasenseka
ekisika kikusokugumya
gatindu kaso you be careful mutegeke ebikapu byanyu ebyo so nanya abantu mwetekerezemu omuntu alagwa kulinagamu kwamba tezero hente you eat meat mugiria bulikiro like why would you nimuzana mpira ntitugenda kuliya
ati nimusanga abasajja hano bulikiro si bantu advising abantu genda mu tournament baba kwesere bali barasinga musalente yanyu mugirie then that is not a valid reason as to why I should vote you politician watu haire a million emu harufu it is okay we wale tukonyera
but siguli mulimo gwa
it is what we want are better reforms kulia
transport
yes
healthcare
kumbe mitwaro abiri harufu orunda abugenyi bwange does not guarantee that intingo kwakaro webale waitu ompayire nanyo simire but you have done that not as an MP
bano bekoga nka MP
okimpayire nkaiwe
kandi nyamata abakubikira gaba MP mubirekerawo tubikire nanka MP nanka tubikire MP nanka tubikire MP nanka no sange birango byona bidwe abantu bayikyaro boyikara nabo tubabikire kwasajja mpungu mubikire isanga wasajja mubikire ayije yakwirukire MP asano butayije kandi ba MP bamanyene okusinika emitwaro 5 office of the MP
na yenda ateko orubazo harukuwa amitwaro 5 so sincerely the quality ya leadership it has to be tackled
otherwise tugenda kufuna mauzo bwa mali
ati let me show you nkwenda bisanga basajja ompabule let me tinja kugamba runde kitongole but kangezo kieta example kekyo kuloro wao mu kitongole kimu halimo musajja mukoto haiguru awaki emotoka ye kitongole ejo bwe kwato mure emotoka egeri milioni 6 ekuba an emergency to run very very fast but when you come with a business idea nawo yenyewe bakururawo eye sente ezirime emotoka emirundi 10 it is not treated an emergency omlengo tulakuli angel investment firms munanka mu America nikito wagambye kuno tukopaga ebintu tubikopa kubi ntingu iwo kurura cruising emotoka milioni 6 ni emergency but bwakwija a new brain ekakuleta idea ya milioni 6 no yendo girabye rorori
formality
like for engineering ya mani mono no sanga it is affecting the economic development of some of these farms and actually the community at large.
Yakizo tinyina kizo na chain
the formalities,
the structures, but the structures are not working. Niho buzibu buli okwesanga structure okwesanga director ahayengire manager baitu hati manager takusobora kukora mulimo ogwa manager ogwa director ro. Now the structure manager lesere wake awakini otaba manager okaba director okaba procurement okaba secretary
ngabe hoteli
okusanga director
ayo manager but manager cannot do a decision.
He cannot even decide even kugure simisimu.
Yes.
Na inda mazate director ana aiziroho obutunda tugule watutagura.
Yes.
Such decision. So nibyo not gambire leadership team. Yes, you have empowered me to be manager, but I'm not managing anything.
I'm supervising. Basically, actually, most of these about the owners by nakumanya ataho a supervisor and a manager. Hati muleke acquiring a manager in the name of a supervisor and vice versa. Bokuba hiring umuntu just to overlook a hotel. Be specific omugambe nkwesere or supervisor. Your duty is to report anything. So you don't decide, you report. You're supervising. Nka invigilator. Nijogora invigilator yakwataga na akopa
na reportinga for
ya reportinga mu chief invigilator.
Nona deciding ayo.
Yes.
So nikyo kina badirect okusanga oli ali director wa hotel but naenda ne wawe na asikara muri yangu okietegereza. So no leadership tero niyo tukusanga bali even in your family iwoli or in a business but oleseremo omuntu alugambe mutabani wao sajja mpungu omutere business omugambira oli manager but na tura na notakaka na supervising kyomuleka akalidinga for the growth of the business ngoza nebo kubota roho business nekora nigenda maiso
kana ati buba busomikio talo just a split of a second utalo ikyo bayino tekamo orulingulize it's all gone. So omuntu bokuba muhiring as a manager, let that person
be a manager,
do a managerial job. Muleke hiring aba manager ekandi no bwaraba naenda kola kajuice akayaka just to test bwakubana like buli kimu kyona they have to report. At imagine how many institutions need websites here.
A lot.
Many. But no rural like aina kwanza ile director of which director kugamba
kama director tabimanyire okusanga oli usanga na director tabina website nikyo kiki but ono usanga kadi manager na kimanya egenda kuyamba kampuni, but of course he doesn't have any power to decide for the company direct kintu na koraki na akita. So nikyo tugambirege titwina leaders mu system mu society zaitu okusanga just bano wetu akomere ya politicians, okusanga even in our families the leaders na wote balimu
tuina politicians bakubara everything is they do a calculated move
babi barobuba
bunda akora kano
kunira wenda sedeke mitwale 5 harufu ibara lyangu ndituruka so okwesanga so let us try to be leaders, let us nabata bakoma mukoma abantu abaterekerere kaguma komo omuntu bokuba akabagulira embuzi mwazano mupira yabatereza emipira nenkaito yabagulira embuzi
bagenda unsustainable charity yogenda mu orphanage okabalekere ebyokulya, it is not sustainable. Obatwalire ekirasatu orundi imagininga olina gamba abantu bano tibakalyaga keki foelonge nyoka let me go and take cake for them, but that is unsustainable. You would rather take for someone orgoi than a cake because it is not sustainable. You would rather take to an orphanage a skilling session,
mutwalire computer
skilling no kuba tutwere hardware, take a skill there. Other than that cake kuba nkoloraga abantu bayinga bali skilled, you find like photographers bali bayingi baitu iwe bwagenda kukora charity instead yokora charity to if you might at a very big problem of wanting to reach many niye bizibe bije so mukikaro kyogamba ati nyowe nja kujja orphanage yanyu I need 10 people to train how to handle camera iwe nagenda kutwara yo mchere kirabi n'itano nibetere bisani
nataona impact.
Now that is ogonoto kubaza nka politician we uli nambala akateeka they expecting a leader does it for the good. Actually na leader lobo akole kintu atakumanyentinga akikoze just na rola niki kisanire
kolebwa
niki kisanire kole ete ngudo zaite nka hoima here engudo ezo ebe bihule bitwine ebi those are things that tena no kwantu bazaho amaizi ga hoima kimanyira amaizi ga hoima gakusana gakanga bugamba amaizi boreholes nyo kugambya lebya lebingenzeremu notoza amaizi bisanga abasajja n'ochura water
gamba hano town hana rekiaro kita side za kwa Kyedarwa Enkobe kimazire myaka nka 3 tikina masanyarazi bati kore amatanziga kangara isomero
Enkobe yayitukulu Bujumbura
kanyuma baitu baina bekulembezi baina kwegamba nosanga egine into get us
kula amatanziga taye enyuma ya yorusozi kuli
ole ataha yo mukama waka getwalira yo ole ina sente ya gasikira
yorusozi letayibata enyuma yorusozi yo ruwa wakya iguru runo wabakumira basabira ino kusabira yo bana amasanyarazi gakangira hali ha isomero institution niyo ya gesikire ka institution not as leader anti kudunura Enkobe nyonga bakumira atayekya ta kipanye muno babagenda basabira obaki watya waka banyebero baita tayam amasanyarazi mali
okunda kuti yali ya
kyaro kiri mu city
so niwe tugamba okwesanga bekulembeze betukomere I mean tibaina kibakozere
abantu leka betabebembeza abo babebembezi
abantu betukomere
because alebintu ebina kuba very bitakusabi nosanga ati eke component zanke nibeta omuntu wa amani muno just to do ground breaking yaka block akantu katito ambe bagenda kuro rukudo rwe as if minister taina important meetings ezaina kora.
Maybe it's part of the assignments zaina kora ka minister.
No, just expecting a village road. No, but we have between our officials ba UNRANU twina abantu abakora mu twina engabo za minister
kigaruka yo hali
twina people the
district ketubalize into that okusanga director mu institution baitu aina support system structure baite takora so it's the same as the minister. Why would you leave your office kuja opening orugudo
akagudo
just
amanyo alorugudo where even the president, but I don't even think a president nawali worth opening orugudo like I think those things are for executive director wa UNRA minister wa transport but president kan nyongo munwa mukiti kindi kande kihingura ine muno ntingu for you kikusana gamba when you're beaten by a cobra there has to be an impact like butukure cobra kutemere atalo impact ndugamba but hati president wakuzoka tugambe kuboneka nkomukama tukubantu nira something
very special.
It's a very special thing hati na president anyway but na if that was Minister of Finance, Planning, Executive Director wa URA, people like that to meet the traders. President White ina bigger and better things to do. Yes, exactly. So tumalirize na nka bisanga website tujukiza abantu Gulu University mugende muhandikisa abana banyu Gulu University branch ya Hoima eri hano harukura tuhenyini oja kurura Gulu University course zona ziroho otagenda kutandika kushwe kanti ngugandi kanyagenda Kampala kanyagenda Gulu manya hostel fees za amani curriculum y'abana bano basoma etahegi so otaraka ngende Kampala
hata watu ina mindset eri iti wako wasomeire hano tibikuisana ne byakula but Gulu University eri akuratu mulingo bagamba Plato Street ogenda no behandikisa in fact teri haine kikali kyo mukama parliament yo mukama monye
so mugende mwandikise abana banyu batale Gulu University mutagenda kushweka amanyo omwana nkamuteka musente ntajja kusoma sente nyingi eza hostel tinzina lekarugira omukana Bujumbura agenda asome Gulu University ekipa kureki bakutunga Ministry of Education niye ki approving Maya Uganda National Council of Higher Institutions niyo approving yes
so kani kikuwa nikikulakulaniza ni town yaitu
ni town yaitu abana muleke kutwara amagezi gaitu kuli bagitwetire kintu mubale muno
Kitara TV kwegesa kumanyisa.
Abasajja